Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this 100k pack opening shindig. Now, unless you guys are aware, EA have been kind enough to give everyone the opportunity to buy a 100k pack, and now we all know these are 24 players, all gold and all rare. So I think in the last one, I want to say we got Lampard, I think was the player. I'm not entirely sure, don't quote me on that. But if you do want to pick up one of these packs and you don't have 100k, then you can go on over to utcointraders.com. All their links will be down below. Of course, they're just reliable, quick, and most importantly, they're cheap, so you don't want to be spending too much going for these 100k packs. So let's get into it, guys. Hopefully, like I said, we managed to get someone decent. It will be a relatively short video. Yeah, I'll be pretty happy. I'm actually kind of tired right now when I'm doing this, so my apologies if the reaction isn't that great, but hey ho, let's get into it anyway. So here goes 100k. Might as well just see what happens, see what the crack is, see if we can get any team of the seasons, and it is Soldado. I just got completely butt raped. This is a sad moment in my life right now. This guy right here, the guy you're looking at right now, was the best player I have just received in a 100k pack. Yeah, that's pretty much. Look, I've got so many. Look, I've got 3 Newcastle players. There's 2 Arsenal ones there. So that's three Arsenal players. Like 4 Brazilian just back to back. That is such a weird pack. Look how they're all clustered together. Shit, never mind. 5 Brazilians. And yeah, wow, that is just a really strange pack, guys. I have to admit, I'm not too happy with that Brazilian pack, but hey ho, that's just the way Ultimate Team can be sometimes. So I mean, I got lucky in the last one, so I can't expect to be just reeling them all in. But yeah, I mean, Muller, he's pretty decent as well. But besides that, I got absolutely jack shit. So a little bit disappointed. Actually, absolutely gutted. Let me know in the comments, who did you get in your 100k packs? And yeah, I'd be really interested to know who you guys got. But until then, I'm discarding the whole load of those guys, those waste of fucking space. Until then, guys, I catch you in a bit. I hope you all have a great day. Bye bye.